Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a BMW X5 with a dead key fob. First, locate the small key symbol or outline on your steering column. This is usually on the right side, near the ignition button. Gently press your key fob directly against this spot. This specific area is designed to read the key's signal even when its internal battery is completely depleted. It's a clever backup system for just such an emergency. Once your key fob is firmly against the designated spot, you can proceed to start the engine. With your foot on the brake, press the start/stop button as you normally would. The car's system should now recognize the key and allow the engine to turn over. If it doesn't start immediately, ensure the key fob is making good contact and try again. This method bypasses the need for a strong battery signal. It's helpful to understand why this method works. Your BMW key fob contains a small transponder chip. This chip operates independently of the fob's battery, using induction to communicate with the car's immobilizer system. When you place the fob against the steering column, the car's receiver can pick up this weak, unpowered signal. This ensures you're never stranded due to a dead key fob battery. While this method gets you going, it's a temporary solution. You should replace your key fob battery at your earliest convenience. Most BMW key fobs use a standard CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Replacing it is usually a simple process, often just requiring a small screwdriver to open the fob. This will restore full functionality and convenience to your key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.